Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can pan across documents and PDFs in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, here on my example document, I will show you how this works. It works actually the same way as on most other content creation and text editing tools there are. So there are two options. You either use the space button or key on your keyboard, hold it, for example, press and hold it, and after that simply use your left mouse and your mouse to pan from the top to the bottom of the document, for example. Release your left mouse, release also the space button. And option number two would be to click into the select tool at the top and to choose pan. And now you don't need to press and hold space on your keyboard, and simply use your cursor, your left mouse and your mouse to pan. That's how it works, guys. Let me switch back to the select tool. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.